Welcome. Today, we're embarking on a journey through time to explore the fascinating story of the Industrial Revolutions. These pivotal periods have shaped the world as we know it, transforming societies, economies, and the very way we live and work. From the first sparks of mechanization to the digital age, each revolution brought about profound changes. In this video, we'll break down each industrial revolution, highlight their key innovations, and see how they continue to impact our lives today. Let's begin by understanding what an industrial revolution is and why it matters. Industrial revolution refers to a period of major industrialization and technological advancement that dramatically changes society. These revolutions are marked by the introduction of new machines, production methods, and energy sources. They lead to increased productivity, urbanization, and shifts in social structures. Understanding these revolutions helps us appreciate how technology and innovation drive progress and shape our daily lives. Now let's dive into the very first industrial revolution and see how it all began. First industrial revolution started in Britain in the late 18th century. It was driven by the invention of the steam engine, which powered new machines in textile factories and revolutionized transportation with steam locomotives. This era saw the rise of factories, mass production, and urbanization as people moved from rural areas to cities for work. The use of coal as a primary energy source fueled these changes, laying the foundation for modern industry. Let's take a closer look at the key innovations of this period. During the first industrial revolution, several groundbreaking inventions emerged. The spinning jenny and power loom transformed textile manufacturing, making it faster and more efficient. The steam engine, perfected by James Watt, powered machinery and trains, revolutionizing both industry and transport. Iron production techniques improved, leading to stronger materials for building and machinery. These innovations not only boosted productivity but also changed the way people lived and worked, setting the stage for further advancements. First industrial revolution brought significant social changes. As factories grew, people flocked to cities in search of jobs, leading to rapid urbanization. Working conditions were often harsh with long hours and little safety. However, the revolution also created new opportunities and a growing middle class. Education and literacy rates began to rise, and new social movements emerged to address workers' rights. These changes laid the groundwork for future reforms and set the tone for the next wave of industrialization. Second industrial revolution began in the late 19th century, spreading from Britain to Europe, the United States, and beyond. This era was marked by the rise of electricity, steel production, and chemical industries. Innovations like the telephone, light bulb, and internal combustion engine transformed communication, transportation, and daily life. Mass production techniques such as the assembly line made goods more affordable and accessible. Let's explore the major technological advances of this period. Some of the most influential inventions of the Second Industrial Revolution include Thomas Edison's light bulb, Alexander Graham Bell's telephone, and Henry Ford's assembly line. The widespread use of electricity powered factories and homes, while the internal combustion engine revolutionized transportation with cars and airplanes. Chemical advancements led to new materials and medicines. These breakthroughs not only improved living standards but also accelerated economic growth and global trade. Second Industrial Revolution brought about significant societal changes. Cities expanded rapidly as people sought jobs in new industries. The rise of consumer culture meant that more people could afford products like cars and household appliances. Education systems improved to meet the demands of a more skilled workforce. Labor unions gained strength, advocating for better wages and working conditions. These changes helped shape the modern urban lifestyle and set the stage for the 20th century. Third Industrial Revolution, also known as the Digital Revolution, began in the mid-20th century. This era was defined by the rise of electronics, computers, and information technology. The invention of the transistor, integrated circuits, and personal computers transformed how we process and share information. The internet connected the world like never before, enabling instant communication and access to knowledge. Let's look at the key technologies that powered this digital transformation. Digital Revolution introduced groundbreaking technologies such as the microprocessor, personal computer, and the World Wide Web. These innovations made information accessible to billions and revolutionized industries from finance to entertainment. Mobile phones and later smartphones put powerful computing in our pockets. Software development and automation changed the way businesses operate, making processes faster and more efficient. The digital age continues to evolve, shaping every aspect of our lives. Digital revolution has had a profound impact on society. Communication became instant and global, changing how we connect with others. Access to information and education expanded dramatically, empowering people worldwide. New industries emerged, creating jobs in software, IT, and digital marketing. However, this era also brought challenges, such as digital divides and concerns over privacy and cybersecurity. The digital revolution continues to shape our world in both positive and complex ways. Are now living through the Fourth Industrial Revolution, often called Industry 4. This era is characterized by the fusion of digital, physical, and biological technologies. Innovations like artificial intelligence, robotics, the Internet of Things, and biotechnology are transforming industries and daily life. These technologies enable smarter factories, personalized medicine, and connected devices everywhere. Let's explore the core concepts behind Industry 4 and how they're changing the world. Industry 4 is powered by several cutting-edge technologies. Artificial intelligence enables machines to learn and make decisions. Robotics automates complex tasks, increasing efficiency and safety. The Internet of Things connects devices, allowing them to communicate and share data. Advances in biotechnology are leading to breakthroughs in healthcare and agriculture. These technologies are not only revolutionizing industries, but also creating new opportunities and challenges for society. One of the hallmarks of the fourth industrial revolution is the rise of smart factories. These factories use sensors, data analytics, and automation to optimize production in real time. Machines can communicate with each other, predict maintenance needs, and even adjust processes automatically. This leads to greater efficiency, reduced waste, and improved product quality. Smart factories are a glimpse into the future of manufacturing, where technology and human expertise work hand in hand. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is at the heart of Industry 4. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make decisions faster than humans. In manufacturing, AI powers predictive maintenance, quality control, and supply chain optimization. In everyday life, AI is behind voice assistants, recommendation systems, and smart home devices. As AI continues to advance, it promises to unlock new possibilities while raising important ethical questions. Fourth industrial revolution is reshaping the workforce and society. Automation and AI are changing the nature of jobs, with some roles disappearing and new ones emerging. Lifelong learning and adaptability are becoming essential skills. While technology can improve productivity and quality of life, it also raises concerns about job displacement and inequality. Societies must find ways to ensure that the benefits of Industry 4 are shared widely and fairly. Each industrial revolution has had significant environmental impacts. The first and second revolutions led to increased pollution and resource consumption. The digital and fourth revolutions offer opportunities to address these challenges through smarter technologies and sustainable practices. Renewable energy, efficient manufacturing, and green innovations are helping reduce the environmental footprint of industry. Balancing progress with sustainability is a key challenge for the future. Industrial revolutions have made the world more connected than ever. Advances in transportation, communication, and digital networks have enabled global trade and collaboration. Companies can operate across borders and people can access information and services worldwide. This connectivity brings opportunities for growth and cultural exchange, but also challenges such as competition and cybersecurity risks. The world continues to become more interconnected with each technological leap. As we look to the future, the ongoing industrial revolution presents both challenges and opportunities. Rapid technological change requires societies to adapt quickly, ensuring that education policies and infrastructure keep pace. There are concerns about privacy, security, and the ethical use of technology. At the same time, innovation offers solutions to global problems, from healthcare to climate change. Navigating these complexities will shape the next chapter of human progress. Some experts believe we are on the brink of a fifth industrial revolution, where human creativity and advanced technology work together for a more sustainable and inclusive future. This vision emphasizes collaboration between humans and machines, ethical innovation, and a focus on well-being. While it's still early to define, the seeds of this next revolution are already being planted in today's research labs and startups. The future of industry will depend on how we harness technology for the greater good. The story of the industrial revolutions is one of constant change and adaptation. Each revolution brought new challenges and opportunities, transforming the way we live, work, and interact. By understanding this history, we can better prepare for the future, embracing innovation while addressing its impacts responsibly. As technology continues to evolve, our ability to learn from the past and shape a better tomorrow will be more important than ever. Thank you for joining this journey through the ages of industry.